Hi guys, so I was looking for a little bit of inspiration for a new video and couldn't really think of anything because my brain's a bit fuzzled, and I then thought to myself, you know what, let's give a mortise lock a go upside down, but not just upside down, we do it right hand throw. And the purpose behind it, well, there is no purpose, it's just one of them things that sprung to mind, and I thought I'll give it a try because I've never tried it before. So just for a bit of fun really. Yeah, so let's give it a go. Let me get me a lock out of one of my boxes. I suppose a trusty fortress is probably the best way to start. Right hand wire, picking tip, oh yeah, on there. So it's yeah, it's that way, isn't it? Yeah. So okay, let's see if we can do this. I'm just saying that I've been to properties where mortise lock is fitted upside down and that, so it is quite possible at some point I could have to do something like this. Let's see if I can get this in camera. Maybe that's a bit easier. Five, four, five, four, three. Oh, nice jolt on the bolt. So 5 is high, 4 is medium, 3 is obviously going to be high. It's a bit weird corkscrewing. So you've got 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, okay, 2's there. It's very alien trying to corkscrew, so I'm having to actually think about what I'm doing. So 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. I think the problem is 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right, so 2's sitting quite high. Well, sitting low, but high because it's upside down. But there you go. Oh, there you go. So what I've done is I've pushed one down too hard, and when as soon as I let go, it brought it back up for me. So, well, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it does make you have to use your brain a little bit. So I'll have to give that a go on some other locks. Cheers guys.